Good morning everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate my live trades, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Last 2 days were really slow. I did not take any trades. Hopefully we get some action today. Triple Q and SPY gapping down pre-market. Apart from my usual watch list, I've also added Nvidia today. Nvidia gapping down pre-market over 3%. At market open, I would like Nvidia to flush, make new lows on high volume and then give me a rebound. If that happens, I'll be interested in Nvidia. Else, I'll be focusing on SPX. So that's the plan going into market open. We do have over 6 minutes to market open. So I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open, watching SPY. SPY staying strong. Not giving me a clear setup. Getting in, 550. Expecting this level to hold as resistance. Out for now. That was a perfect trade. I did have plans to add around 398, 399 because I knew that 400 is going to be a huge level of resistance. $98 in a matter of few minutes, I'll take it. Now, in order for me to get interested to the put side, I would like SPY to break the pre-market low with heavy volume. Not sure whether it's going to happen because I could see things have slowed down already. I'll keep watching for a few more minutes, and if I don't get any setups, I'll be just happy with one trade. Around 30 minutes into the day, I don't like the current price action, so I think it would be better to call the day off. Overall, a decent day of trading, making around $98 in less than 30 minutes. I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.